Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to use Audio Eraser in your recording memos. So you ever recorded something important but had some background noise ruining it? So with Audio Eraser, Samsung lets you remove unnecessary sounds from your recording. However, you have seen this in the gallery itself, so on videos, but now you can go ahead and use Audio Eraser in your own recordings as well. So here is an example. We'll go ahead and open up the voice recorder. So here I've recorded an audio from one of my YouTube videos, and to use Audio Eraser, you can go ahead and record it. And here at the bottom right, you'll just see the Audio Eraser icon. So to apply the Audio Eraser to your audio, go ahead and tap on this. This will now start erasing the noise from your audio. So now when you go ahead and play it, this will start to erase any background noise throughout this audio. So with this, you get crystal clear voice recordings for meetings, lectures, and personal notes. So no more struggling to hear your own voice over background chatter. It saves the time since you don't have to re-record again and again. So there you go, guys. That is how to use the Audio Eraser in your recording memos on your Samsung Galaxy device.